treat for you. Actually, I have two special treats for you.
Can't forget candy canes.
No, you can't forget the candy canes.
They're the star show.
And we're gonna do what are we gonna do? Break this up in little pieces. Are you gonna?
I'm gonna be smashing them.
He's gonna be making the whole thing. I'm just gonna watch. I'm the supervisor today in my kitchen. So come on into Annie's kitchen and let's make delicious
Candy Cane Muffins. Let's go!
All right, let's do it.
It's done mixing, and this is what it's supposed to look like, and the consistency is supposed to be this. Blop. This is what the candy canes are supposed to look like. You can turn it in powder so it really mixes around the batter. So let's pour them in. That'll be good. That's good. That might be too many.
So I took them out of the oven and they're done. So bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Annie's Kitchen. Today I have a special treat for you. Actually, I have two special treats for you. Me and my grandson Brayden. Hi. And what we're going to make are candy cane muffins. He's going to be making them so they're really kid approved and they're really easy. So, before I tell you what you need, grab a cup of coffee. I wanted to tell you, do you like my headband? You can find my headband in another video that I made this headband with. I get so many compliments. I go somewhere and people go, you know, I like your headband all the time. It's just amazing. So you can make your own. I show you how in one of my videos. And you like my sweatshirt? I also made that. That's on another video. So, come on into my kitchen and let's have a cup of coffee together. Did you make your coffee? Woo! Always little mishaps in my kitchen.
Yep.
Aren't there, Brayden?
Yeah.
That's fine. So what we're going to need, I buy organic whenever I can, and I found these organic candy canes. And we're going to use these. What do you think of these? Are you going to be eating those while you make them? Yeah?
Yeah, of course.
And what else are we going to use?
Some canola oil.
Oh, good.
We got some maple syrup, right there. We got some eggs, baking powder, we got cane sugar, all-purpose flour, and some milk. Can't forget candy canes.
No, you can't forget the candy canes.
They're the star show.
They are. And there's other ways to make this if you wanted. You could put chips in this, or you can make it like what?
You can make it a chocolate muffin, or half vanilla, half chocolate. It's your muffin. Do anything you want.
It is your muffin, but we're not going to do that. We're going to make vanilla muffins. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine. I like vanilla.
And we're going to do, what are we going to do? Break this up in little pieces. So it's right in the batter, right?
Yeah.
Are you going to?
I'm going to be smashing them.
He's going to be making the whole thing. I'm just going to watch. I'm the supervisor today in my kitchen. So come on into Annie's kitchen and let's make delicious
Candy Cane Muffins. Let's go!
All right, let's do it.
Okay, now let's get to making them. First you need 2 eggs. Put it in there. Oh, you gotta make a mess. We have 1/4 cup maple syrup. Yeah. Okay. We got 1/3 cup canola oil. Make sure you get all of it out. Okay, there we go. Now let's do the dry ingredients. We got 1/3 cup sugar. Just put that back there. We got 3 cups flour. Yo, blue. Got that in my nose. We have 1 tablespoon baking powder. And last but not least, we have 1.5 cup low-fat milk. Or regular milk, whatever you want. Kate. mix. Make sure to scrape this out. Okay, so it's done mixing, and this is what it's supposed to look like, and the consistency is supposed to be this. Blop. Okay, we'll come back and do the fun part, the candy canes. Okay, so let's smash up some candy canes. I'm gonna smash these up, and we'll come back and show you what they're supposed to look like after they're smashed up. Okay, we're back. This is what the candy canes are supposed to look like. You can turn it in powder so it really mixes around the batter. So let's pour them in. There we go. Now, mix them around. Put this to the side. Okay, now oil a muffin pan, and then you can just take some of this and put it in there just like that. Okay, so this is what the candy canes are supposed to look like when they're added into the batter. Now, I'll add the batter into this muffin tray, and then I'll bake it at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. And maybe I'll add a few chocolate chips. Okay, so I'm going to add some chocolate chips in. We'll do a few in each of them. That'll be good. That's good. That might be too many. Just move some over. You're always gonna make mistakes. Let's go here. That's gonna be extra chocolatey. Put a few there, and yeah. There we go. Okay, so we mixed chocolate around, and we're going to put it into the oven at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes.
So I took them out of the oven, and they're done. I put a knife through them. That's how you find out if they're done. And the knife doesn't have anything on there. So I'm going to take this out.
They look really good.
They sure do. They sure do, Brayden.
Wow.
They look really good. And now we're going to give them a try.
You betcha.
Okay. Now we'll give them a try, see if we like them. So
Yeah.
we're done. And I could smell the peppermint through the air. It smells really good, doesn't it? Do you smell the peppermint? It's really, really good. So I'm going to let him try it first. Go ahead, give it a try.
Okay.
Here, he loves it. Do you taste the peppermint?
Yeah, I really do.
So I'm going to give it a try too. Very little. You can't stop eating it. Right? Did you taste the peppermint? It mixed really, really well. Because you got to get it almost like dust and put it in. Wow. That is good. Really, really good. Wow. So, make yours. Let me know how it is. You know, I'm an exercise teacher. I like crafts. I like talks. I like everything. And most of all, I love to cook. So, and I like being with you. So, come back to Annie's Angle. Have a real nice day. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. What do you think?
It's amazing.
And it's kid approved. And your kid can make it themselves, really.
Yeah.
I mean, he did it. Wow, that was really, really good.
Yeah.
You really made a nice batch.
Yeah, it's really good.
Really,
It came out beautiful.
would you make them again?
Of course. course I would.
You hear that? This is the first time, and I guess his mom's gonna have him make it.
Yeah, I gotta give her a recipe.
Oh, Mom, will you make me some candy cane muffins? No, never mind, Mama. I'm gonna make them. Isn't that what you're gonna say? Because you did make them.
Of course.
So thanks for stopping in Nanny's Angle. Have a real nice day. Bye bye for now, and
See you next time.
bye bye.